y'all, it's Mary. You watching Finna Eat. Last video, we were winding it up. Showed y'all how to be professionals. Today, I got my hat, I got my jacket, and we are chefing it up today. Okay? Found some things I've never seen before, never heard of, never tried, nothing to do with it. And not an expert in the kitchen, but we're gonna try. I did a little research as in like a couple minutes on YouTube. That's about it. So it's my expertise with apparently this is called, I'm gonna mess this up so bad already. Gnocchi, something. I don't know. It looks like this, but it doesn't sound like that. That's all I know. Okay? According to the back, it is an Italian-style small dumpling, which is made out of potato and flour. You can boil it. You can bake it. We're going to be boiling it, and we're going to be tossing it in a brown butter and sage sauce. It's not really a sauce. It's literally just butter and sage. Brown butter, I learned, brown butter is just a fancy term for basically burnt butter. For real, it's cooked butter. You melt the butter until it's brown. Yeah. Oh, we actually have 3 choices. I picked up different kinds. This one is pecorino cheese. This one's a purple potato. And this one's a pesto. We're gonna go with the purple potato. Just because I like potatoes and the color purple. The movie as well. So we're gonna start making them. So, right now, we got a pot and we got a pan. Our pot has water in it. And I'm currently trying to boil that water. Apparently, you have to turn this knob on high so it'll get hot. You know, hot thing, pan goes on hot thing. Okay. This pan is where we're gonna burn our butter. Okay? And also add our sage. Okay? We got fresh sage, not the dry sage. Okay? We're not trying to cleanse the house right now. But we're just going to stand here and awkwardly look at each other until our water boils. Alright, I'm done. Okay. Our water is boiling. Now we are here to add the gnocchi. This is about to go in the pot. And how you boil your gnocchi is you literally dump it in the pot, and when it floats to the top, it's done. The thing says about 2 to 3 minutes, but I'm not sure. We're just going to pitch all that. Yep. And we're going to add some salt. About that much. You know? About 4 or 5. Professionals, people. Okay. So, for all y'all non-professionals out there, sage smells really good. And it's fuzzy. So, while you are cooking, you can rub a furry leaf. Okay? But that is going to go in our burnt butter. We are going to burn some butter. You want to get a big can of butter, spatula, and we're just gonna about a scoop and a half, right? Maybe. We we are making brown butter. Again, how to make brown butter is you melt regular butter all the way down and keep cooking it until it burns and turns brown. Okay, so we're just gonna let that melt a second. Our gnocchis are floating to the top. There's a couple little drifters down there, but they about ready. We are going to drain them and then sit them to the side while we continue with our brown butter. We're going to add our sage right there. Boop boop. Gonna just plop that down on in there so our butter can get a nice earthy taste to it, because you know people like the taste of the earth, dirt, leaves. Our butter is about ready. Okay, see this? I mean, you can't really see it, but you can see it. Okay, it's just been boiling and frothing. A little impatient, but I think we're good. Okay, and as you can see, we drained our gnocchis. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead and dump it on there. Alright, we're just gonna dump it all out. And oh yeah. See, I love chicken and dumplings. Love chicken and dumplings. I love dumplings. You know, big matzo ball ones, or the little dumpling ones, or the flat ones, any of those ones. So I'm hoping that I know it doesn't taste like chicken and dumplings, but I'm hoping that it does. Alright, but we're gonna put some Parmesan cheese on this. Boop, boop. We do like Salt Bae. It just went down my shirt. Here we go. Professional chefs, people. If you don't have cheese up your sleeve, get out the kitchen. Fuck. I don't want to try this. Alright, y'all. I'm finna do this for y'all. Okay? Because I love you so much. Jeez Louise, I can't get it off my fork. Alright, y'all. We're finna eat this little bite right here, because if I don't like it, I'm gonna eat the rest. That's it for now. Bye. So, in conclusion, to conclude this video, we have concluded that I love food, love to eat food, but I'm better off just eating food. Somebody make me some gnocchis, some real ones, so I can try it. So follow the directions, but I don't think that they directed me in the right direction, because this was not okay. It was a failed attempt, and that's all I have to say. All right, thank you for watching Finna Eat. I will see y'all next time I'm hungry. Like, ding bells, push those buttons. all that stuff y'all like to do. Bye.